Hot rooms feel even worse when hoses, windows, and bulky setups get in the way. Welcome to my channel, where today we're exploring the top 6 best portable air conditioner without hose for easier cooling, cleaner spaces, and smarter comfort. Check the links in the description to choose yours confidently. The number 6 product on our list is Fancole Air Conditioner. Heat can turn one small room into a patience test, and that is where the Fancole Air Conditioner feels instantly useful. Instead of dealing with window kits, exhaust tubes, or bulky setup, this ventless portable air cooler gives you fast airflow, a 2-gallon tank, reusable ice packs, and smooth 120-degree swing for wider room coverage. The 3-speed control and 4 modes make it easy to shift from work focus to night comfort without feeling overwhelmed. Its quiet operation under 45 decibels adds real relief for bedrooms, study spaces, or home offices. The pros are strong airflow, low 65-watt power use, remote control, wheels, long timer, and easy movement. The cons are clear too. It works best in dry climates and will not replace a true compressor rack in humid heat. Compared with a basic mini desktop cooler, Fancole feels more practical for larger personal spaces. Buy it if you want hose-free cooling with less effort and more daily comfort. At number 5 is Temeike Air Conditioner. Dry heat can drain a room faster than people expect, and the Temeike Air Conditioner steps in like a calm rescue. This ventless portable air cooler is built for users who hate hoses, window panels, and complicated setup. Just fill the 2-gallon tank, add the reusable ice packs, choose from 4 modes and 3 speeds, then let the 120-degree oscillation spread cooler air across bedrooms, offices, or small living spaces. Its 65-watt design makes it easy on power, while the remote, top panel, 15-hour timer, and 50-decibel operation bring real, everyday relief. The pros are simple use, wide airflow, long cooling time, humidifying comfort, and strong value for dry climates. The downside is that humid rooms will not feel the same chill as a compressor rack. Compared with Fancole, Temeike feels slightly more focused on dry air comfort and skin-friendly humidity. Buy it for hose-free cooling that makes hot days feel manageable again. At number 4 is Wicolo Air Conditioner. Summer discomfort often starts quietly, then suddenly your room feels impossible to enjoy. Wicolo Air Conditioner brings a practical answer for people who want a portable air cooler without hoses, window kits, or heavy installation. Its 3-in-1 evaporative design works as fan, humidifier, and cooler, giving dry spaces a fresher feel. Add water, drop in the icebox, and the advanced airflow system pushes air with less energy through its 65-watt motor. The 2-gallon tank can run up to 20 hours, which means fewer refills during work, sleep, or relaxed evenings. The built-in handle, 360-degree casters, remote control, and visible waterline make daily use feel simple. The pros are easy movement, low power draw, long runtime, and quick plug-and-play comfort. The cons are that it suits dry heat better than humid rooms. Compared with Temeike, Wicolo feels more lightweight and movement-friendly. Choose it for flexible cooling that follows your routine. The third one on our list is BIGoose Air Conditioner. Some rooms do not just feel hot, they feel trapped. And BIGoose Air Conditioner is designed to break that heavy stillness fast. This windowless portable air cooler gives you 4-in-1 comfort with fan, humidifier, cooling mode, and natural breeze, making it useful for dry bedrooms, offices, and living spaces. Its 2026 motor, 1700 CFM airflow, and larger cooling pad create a stronger rush than many basic hose-free coolers. The 3.2-gallon dual tank is a major win, offering up to 24 hours of cooling with fewer refills. You also get 4 modes, 4 speeds, 16 settings, remote control, LED touch panel, quiet operation, 12-hour timer, wheels, and low water alerts. The pros are powerful airflow, big tank, easy refilling, wide coverage, and family-friendly controls. The downside is that humid climates can reduce its cooling impact. Compared with Wicolo, BIGoose feels stronger for bigger rooms. Buy it for serious dry heat relief. On number 2 is Verminget Air Conditioner. Tiny tanks can ruin cooling comfort, especially when the heat lasts longer than your patience. Verminget Air Conditioner solves that frustration with a massive 10-gallon water tank that supports up to 30 hours of steady evaporative cooling. For anyone searching for a portable air conditioner without hose, this feels built for long days in dry spaces like garages, patios, kitchens, offices, workshops, or apartments. Its 4-in-1 design works as fan, cooler, humidifier, and aroma diffuser, so the room does not just feel cooler, it feels calmer. The 120-degree airflow helps spread comfort across shared spaces, while 30 decibel operation keeps sleep, calls, and study sessions peaceful. The pros are huge runtime, quiet cooling, easy mobility, remote control, detachable tank, and low running cost. The downside is important. It is a swamp cooler, not compressor ack, so humid areas reduce performance. Compared with BIGoose, Verminget wins for tank size. Buy it for all-day dry climate relief. Now moving to the last one is Melophy Air Conditioner. When heat follows you from room to room, small coolers can feel like empty promises. Melophy Air Conditioner answers with a serious 10-gallon tank, giving up to 30 hours of evaporative cooling before refilling becomes your problem again. For hose-free portable cooling, it feels made for dry apartments, garages, patios, offices, RVs, workshops, and backyard gatherings. The 4-in-1 setup works as a fan, air cooler, humidifier, and aroma diffuser, so the air feels fresher instead of harsh and dry. Its 120-degree airflow spreads comfort across wider spaces, while the 30 decibel operation keeps nights, work calls, and study moments peaceful. The pros are huge runtime, low energy use, remote control, touch panel, smooth wheels, detachable tank, and calming aroma support. The downside is simple: humid rooms will limit the cooling effect because this is a swamp cooler, not compressor rack. Compared with Verminget, Melophy feels equally strong for long runtime, but slightly more lifestyle-focused. Among all the winter, BIGoose Air Conditioner stands out because it feels practical, cooling-focused, easy to place, and reliable for everyday comfort. So guys, this was the video about the top 6 best portable air conditioner without hose. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.